lost generation. See, this is painful, but it's truth. I don't like talking about it, but I have to talk about it because I'm talking about we. Remember in the last verse, I told you about the children trained as Igbo children. Now, if the woman died first before the father, which is not even likely to happen anywhere, according to nature. Now, if the man died, from that day they will take their mother, and that will be the end. Because now, remember, these children we are having here. Remember, they will marry, and when they marry, they will have children. Remember, one of the most difficult thing in abroad is what? Nanny, taking care of children. If you go to park today, you will see old grandma them taking their grandchildren to school, doing some shopping, walking them to park. Now, have you considered the war? Your children will be going through 90 something, while you and you will take their mother to Nigeria, to village, and now they will be spending time and going stress of nanny here in Europe, while you will be in Nigeria doing nothing. Now remember, put this one in our brain, doing nothing. Then the children themselves, they will be going through that nanny issue here. They will be sending you money to take care of you in Nigeria. They will still be traveling every 2 weeks, every 2 years, every 3 years to come and see you with the money. Remember, they have children. Your boys have married, and who they marry, their parents are still in Europe. Your daughters are married. The man they are married has parents as well. Double wahala. How do you think they are going to cope on all this? He still use thousands and millions to buy tickets to come and see you. How many weeks are they going to stay? How many? Like for one family of two to spend 6,000 euro, pounds or dollar to come and see their parents. How many days are they going to stay? How many days are they going to stay? Calculating with their work time and their holidays. Let us begin to tell ourselves the truth. We are lost generation. Now, let us accept this. The easiest way, the better way, what we do is now put it in your head and say, okay, it has been as it could be. It don't be as it could be. Let's take it. Children, remember where you come from. Teach them as you can do. The most important thing is that them who train their children accordingly. The children will take after the parents are gone. The children will be able to take their children. This is where we come from. As when we used to travel, when we used to go. Their children will take their children. Their children until begin to forget fed, and it is done, and you are done, we are done, I am done. But you see this mindset of my children will go and settle in Nigeria. You that was born and brought up in Nigeria, have you settled? You see those ones, you say when they finish primary school, we take them to home. They will go and do secondary school. Okay, I'm coming to do that in the next episode. For now, let me cut it because I don't want the video to be long at all. Thank you very much. I remain your own brother, Mario K.